today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable enhanced contacts on your AOL mail client. So if you want AOL to be able to pull certain relevant information from your contacts that are sending you emails, like their physical addresses or phone numbers, to kind of fill out their profile basically. If you want to enable that feature, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just open up AOL Mail and select the settings button up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select where it says more settings. On the left side, select contacts, and where it says enhanced contacts, automatically extract phone numbers and physical addresses from emails sent and received to enrich contacts. Select enable to turn that on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.